Hello, welcome back to Erica's Little Welsh Garden. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming over to my channel. Recently, I'm not sure why, but my channel has had a bit of an explosion and I seem to have had loads of new subscribers, and I'm so thankful for every single one of you. I've had loads of comments from lots of new people that I haven't heard of before, so thanks so much for taking the time to write a comment on my video. And I know I haven't been able to reply to all of them, but I am trying my best to reply to every single one of the comments that you leave. So please continue to leave those comments, and thanks so much. But also all of my subscribers that have been with me since the start. I've been doing YouTube now for 3 years, and I've had so many people that joined me back when I had like 1 or 2 subscribers, and they're still here now. So honestly, thank you so much. You don't understand like how much I appreciate it. And suddenly I've just been getting loads more views and it's amazing. So honestly, thank you very much. But in today's video, you'll already know what this video is about from the title, but I wanted to go through the rules of the potato growing challenge for 2021. I launched this challenge a couple of months ago. No, sorry, a couple of weeks ago. And I've had so many people saying that they want to join in. I've had people from, I think, like every continent and loads of different countries that want to be involved in this. And I'm so excited. When I launched it, it was kind of just like a bit of this just little idea that I had. I did the video, I just put it out there, didn't think too much about it. But as soon as I'd put that out there, I got so many messages on social media, like on my Facebook page, and even email, just saying like, you know, I don't do YouTube, but thank you very much. I really want to join in, and I'll send you information of when I've done it and stuff like that. And I just thought it was so amazing to see so many different people all over the world that wanted to be involved in this. And this is an open collaboration for absolutely anybody to join. You know, it might be that you've got a YouTube channel and you want to join in through your YouTube channel, but you know, you might also just want to join in at home and see how everyone else is doing it, and not even tell anybody that you're doing it, you know. So this really is just something that I thought of that is just to get gardeners together. Everything kind of around the world at the moment it's not normal at the moment, and this is something most people can do, and that is grow a potato. So I'm going to stop talking now, and I'm just going to straight off go into the rules for the collaboration. Before we actually get into the rules, I forgot to say, I live in Wales in the UK, and my growing zone is 8B. I've had quite a few people asking when I'm going to be planting mine, and usually within this climate, I would plant them very early, maybe in the polytunnel around mid-March maybe, all the way to very early May, end of April, early May if they're going in the ground. So I'm not able to tell you when to plant yours, because many of you that have asked me the question haven't actually said where you live, and I only really know the growing time for potatoes in my specific area. But obviously, you know, if you're a new gardener, I'd probably suggest just asking other gardeners in your area on like a forum or Facebook page. Or if you are a seasoned gardener, you already know when it's best to plant potatoes in your growing environments. So now it's time to go through the rules of this little challenge. There isn't many, but it's really important that we all make sure that we adhere to them so it's fair for everybody. So number 1 is to go to your local shop and pick up a bag of 1.5 kilograms store-bought potatoes. It so happens that I picked up a bag of this particular size just before Christmas. That did inspire me to start this whole challenge off. But a few people mentioned that they can't get bags this size, but they've gone and got a bigger bag and just weighed out the 1.5 kilograms. So it doesn't matter what variety of potato that you decide to grow, but they need to be bought from the store and not dedicated seed potatoes. The variety that I've got here is called Mozart, and this is a main crop potato, so potentially they could get quite big. And number 2 is you need to grow your potatoes. So you can grow your potatoes any way you want, whether it's in the ground, in the polytunnel, in tubs, I don't know if there's any other ways that you can grow potatoes, but you can grow them however you want at the right season that you would normally grow them. You can use any compost, any dirt, any. A few people have said, they've got a special fertilizer that they always use on their potatoes. You can just do whatever you like and grow them however you want. And the third rule is the easiest rule of them all. All you need to do is harvest your potatoes when they finish growing and weigh them. Okay, and then once you've done that, if you want to be entered in the final montage video where we do a countdown of who is the winner, who grew the heaviest potatoes, all you need to do is take a picture of yourself with your harvest or just the harvest on its own and email that over to me with a kind of message of where you live and how heavy the potatoes were. So then I can do all the working out and work out which person is the winner. Now, there is no prize for this. The only prize that you're going to get is knowing, the smugness of knowing that your potatoes were the heaviest. And there you go. That is how simple it is. They're just 3 basic rules. As I said before, I'm going to be planting mine probably in the middle of April sometime. I'm not really sure, but I'm going to be doing a video where I actually plant them, and I'll also do another video where I harvest them. So when I do these videos, I will use the hashtag potato growing challenge either in the title or in the description of the video. Okay, so if you just search for that hashtag, you should be able to find my video. But also, if you are another YouTube channel that is going to be involved in this and you also want to put a video up where you either you plant them or you want to update us as they grow along, please also use that hashtag. I will be doing a playlist of all the videos of all the different people that are planting their potatoes, okay? And do you know what? If you're not a YouTuber and you really want to have a go at starting a channel or something, just upload a video. You don't have to be in it or anything, but use the hashtag Potato Growing Challenge 2021. Okay, and I will just search that and I will find that video and I'll add you to the playlist, okay? And then I will also do a playlist for me harvesting my potatoes. And again, I will add your harvest video to that one as well. So it would be amazing because I want a playlist with all of these different videos in because I want to see how everybody is growing their potatoes, okay? And then harvesting them. I mean, who doesn't love a potato harvest video? I think it's favourite video ever. But anyway, I think at the moment that is the rules. Let's hope that this kind of kicks off. We all have loads of fun and this is a challenge that we can keep going year after year. Now, I'm thinking that the closing date for sending your photos to me to be part of the challenge is going to be the very end of September. So about mid-October, I can get that video out. Now, I'm not sure about all the climates in all of the different countries around the world. I'm hoping that everybody would have harvested their potatoes by then. But if not, okay, don't worry, just send me a message and I will we can extend it or something like that. If you're being a part of this challenge, thanks so much, but please leave a comment below. Just because if anything changes, I can reply to you on here and let you know. I think that covers everything. Let me think. I think it does. So if you've got any questions about this, please let me know again down below in the comments. If you think anybody else would really like to be involved in this challenge, please share this video with them. And again, if you are doing any videos about this challenge, if you could copy this video into the description so other people could maybe see the rules as well, that would be amazing. If you are a new viewer now, this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, thank you for joining. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you're not going to miss out on any more of these potato videos. I'm going to leave it here now because I've been talking quite a lot now. But as ever, YouTube have some videos up now on the screen that they think you'll like. So please go ahead and watch those and I'll catch up with you in the next episode. Bye!